सायरा मैम।
सायरा मैम।
एक जना एक एक करके। साईराम,
सायरा मैम।
साईराम,
सायरा मैम।
साईराम। बस 3 लोग ज्वाइन कर रहे। कितने? 14 लोग। साईराम बोल रहे हो एक आदमी, उसका तो बोला ही नहीं सही रहा।
मैम बोला था।
ये कार्तिक तेरा शक्ल मैंने भूल गई कैसे देखने में।
मैम अभी कर रहा हूँ कैमरा ऑन।
सुन लो मेरी बात, जो सुंदर भैया ने बोला हम लोग को। सृष्टि हाउ आर यू?
मैम ठीक।
सृष्टि हाउ आर यू?
मैम
आर
फाइन।
यू ऑल राइट? थोड़ा ठंड लग जाती है तो बुखार आ जाता है।
मैम थोड़ी
Yes,
सी
Miss
ठंडी लगती है, बाकी तो ठीक है।
वैसा हो जाता है। ओके चलो विल स्टार्ट। हैव वी डन ओमकार?
No,
चलिए
ma'am.
जोइन योर हैंड्स, क्लोज योर आईज। विल डू ओमकार। चलो ओम ओम ओम। Okay, we are doing. Is it good? Yes, I gave you some homework that you will ask me questions and I will ask some questions to you. Now, question number 1, anyone that you want to ask on the basis whatever we studied yesterday. I am inviting questions from you or doubts. कभी कभी I expect, sometimes I also expect the children must discuss by themselves in groups. I will not take your names. Prana Prakash, you are always behind the screen. Sayuja, you are always behind the screen. Riya Singh, Srishti Sharma, तो तबियत ठीक नहीं सी। पुष्कर, आयुषी लाकरा सब चले गए। Now I will give you some point. You will discuss. No doubts. It means you are not a good student. You know. Students do not have doubts. It's not good. It means I am a perfect person or I am not good teacher. I could not create doubts in you. Or I am such a super duper teacher that I left no corner for doubts. ऐसा हो सकता है, या तो भगवान हो या तो बदमाश हो।
मैम
या तो आप लोगों ने काम ही नहीं किया कल। यस
मैम, व्हाट इज फैक्शनलिज्म?
एज यूजुअल दामिनी हो। कहाँ है? हमने पढ़ा है कल।
यस मैम।
आई डोंट थिंक वी हैव यूज्ड। कहाँ पढ़ा है? बताओ, पढ़ो बताओ।
मैम पेज नंबर 59।
मैम 59 पे।
59 में कहाँ पढ़ा? 59 तो अभी हम शुरू करेंगे। इज इट गुड टू ए पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन?
मैम ये वाला कल पढ़ा था।
आई जस्ट टॉक टू यू अबाउट। कौन सा बताओ?
मैम ये सेकंड
ठीक है, तो
पैराग्राफ।
मुझे बताओ। ये जो
सेकंड
इलेक्शंस आर
पैराग्राफ,
पास, उसके बाद इज इट गुड टू
फिफ्थ
हैव
लाइन।
1 2 3 4। हाँ, फैक्शनलिज्म। ये तो करा ही नहीं हमने। ये दिस वी हैव नॉट स्टडीड स्टार्टेड। देखो, बट इज इट गुड टू हैव पॉलिटिकल कंपटीशन? एवरीथिंग दे डिस्कसिंग कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी इतना होना चाहिए, जितने सीटें उतना होना चाहिए। Clearly, an electoral competition has many demerits. It creates a sense of disunity, factionalism. तोड़ता है in every locality. It breaks the things. क्योंकि वो जो प्रचार करता है ना, जो प्रोपेगेंडा करता है, then they create factionalism. मतलब ये अलग है, ये अलग है, ये अलग है, ये अलग है। In every locality, you would have heard of people complaining in party politics. In your locality, different political parties and leaders often level allegations against one another. That is factionalism. वो दूसरे दल में ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है, इसमें ऐसा हो रहा है, इसमें ऐसा हो रहा है, kind of things. Parties and candidates openly use dirty tricks to win elections. चालू महीना कराए हैं, आप क्या कर रहे थे? ये कहीं भी होंगे, ये देखो ये चीज जो है ना, उससे नहीं करके दूसरे क्रम से, ये जो इधर से नहीं करा, मैं नहीं कर सका। मेरा बुद्धि जैसा काम कर रहा है मैं ऐसे कर रही हूँ। तो क्लास का टाइम हो गया, 5 मिनट हो गया पढ़ाते हुए।
तो अच्छा है ना, चालू हो गया मैम।
नहीं वो तो हो गया, पर कितना जरूरी है, हम क्या करेंगे?
मैं क्या करता हूँ?
सारी खुद ही स्कूल का गड़बड़ कर दे रहे। वो तो क्या, पार्टीज एंड कैंडिडेट्स ओपन यूज डर्टी ट्रिक्स टू विन इलेक्शंस। कैसे भी भाई हुक और क्रुक दे वांट टू, देखो एवरीबॉडी, कैसे तुम पार्टिसिपेट करोगे क्लास में जब आप है ही नहीं क्लास में? प्रणव प्रकाश,
यस मैम।
किधर है तुम?
मैम यहीं
तुम
पर
एक पैराग्राफ समझाओ मुझे, एक पैराग्राफ पूरा समझा, बहुत ज्यादा काम नहीं कर रहा है ये।
मैम कौन सा पैराग्राफ?
समझाओ आप ये बट इज इट गुड से लेके कंपटीशन तक, चलो करो। यू हैव टू एक्सप्लेन, यू
Yes,
अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश? जहां तक पहले बाहर तो तुम्हारा शकल देखे, जितना करोगे बज 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 करके, जितना पढ़ोगे जितना करोगे, इट इज योर एक्सपीरियंस। चलो
मैम एक बार पेज
कौन
नंबर
से
बता दीजिए। मैम एक बार पेज नंबर बता दीजिए।
59, what are you doing in the class? You even do not know about these page numbers. Damini has been telling for so many times. Page number 59. But is it good to have political competition? यहीं से करो पूरा पैराग्राफ कंपटीशन तक, into unhealthy competition.
यस मैम।
Please explain the whole paragraph. उसके बाद मैं किसी और को दूंगी। Read line to line and explain.
यस मैम।
Good, very good. मेरे को भी सृष्टि जैसा थोड़ी बुखार बुखार हो रहा है।
मैम is it good to have political competition? Elections?
Is it possible that while explaining, can we see you, see your real face?
Yes मैम।
तो निकलो, तभी तो सुनने को मजा आएगा।
यस मैम।
भाई सर पढ़ा रहा है, चलो प्रणव सर पढ़ा रहा है।
यस मैम। मैं
इन क्लास
मैं 1 मिनट वीडियो चालू कर रहा हूँ।
अभी तो कुछ चालू ही नहीं करो बेटा।
मैम कर रहा हूँ, मैम कर रहा हूँ।
मेरा तो नेट ही नहीं था, बड़ी मुश्किल से जुड़ा।
मैम कर दिया चालू।
तो फिर आ जाओ आगे और पढ़ा दो हमको।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it good to have political competition? Elections are thus all about political competition. This competition takes various forms. The most obvious form is the competition among political parties. Ma'am, from these lines, we can understand that in the election there are multiple political parties, and there is competition between these parties who will win the election and who will gain the most seats. Ma'am, this competition can take part. Ma'am, this competition has various forms. Ma'am, but the most common and most widely seen, which we can easily observe, is the competition which is between the political parties.
What is the meaning of various forms, sir? Please explain. Various forms. This competition takes various forms. Can you explain?
Ma'am, various forms of competition.
No, second line. This competition takes various forms. I don't understand what is the meaning of various forms.
Ma'am, various forms meaning ma'am many different types. Ma'am, अलग-अलग type के बहुत सारे.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am, at the constituency level, it takes the form of competition among several candidates. Ma'am, meaning
Okay.
if it is a constituency and many candidates are campaigning to win to become to represent the constituency, become an MLA. Ma'am, the competition is between the several candidates. If there is no competition, elections will become pointless, ma'am. Because if there is no competition, then ma'am, only one person will win. So ma'am, it will be not a kind of election, ma'am. Election itself means that there must be competition to the between the political parties and the or the candidates.
Okay.
But is it good to have political competition clearly and electoral?
If you at the same time when he's explaining, if you have any doubt, you can ask him like I have asked. Yes, yes,
But
you go.
clearly, an electoral competition has many demerits. It creates a sense of disunity and factionism in every in every locality. You would have heard of people complaining of party politics in your locality, ma'am. Now the question is that is it really good to have political competition? Because nowadays we can see that because of the competition in between the electoral candidates, there can be some disadvantages also, ma'am. It can create a sense of disunity. People can become divided because someone supports one candidate and the other supports another one, ma'am. It can
Very
also
brilliant. अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा.
ma'am,
Very
it can also create factionalism, ma'am, meaning that there might be two groups, ma'am. For example, one
more
group.
than groups.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there can be more than one groups if multiple candidates are involved, ma'am. And also, we can also hear and see that people are complaining of party politics in our locality. Some of the candidates are using their influence. They can also use unfair means, and that is why it also has some demerits. Different political
What is electoral competition?
electoral competition. Electoral competition is the competition between the candidates. The electoral competition is wait a second. Electoral competitions means that the competition between political parties or candidates for the elections. From elections, we get the word electoral, and the word competition means there is competition. Now, different political parties and leaders often level allegations against each other. Parties and candidates often use dirty tricks to win elections. Some people say that this pressure to win electoral fights does not allow sensible long-term policies to be formulated. Now, this can be often true. The different political parties, the parties which are competing against each other, they not all of them follow the rules as it should be. They also try to pull down their competitors, those who are challenge them. They also pose allegations at them, like for example, they ask questions. They even falsely claim that the competitor is involved in scams or is corrupt. And also these parties and candidates, they also use dirty tricks. For example, they sometimes use money for unfair voting. They also use
money and muscle. Pranam, money and muscle.
yes, ma'am, money and muscle.
Yes.
Ma'am, they can also use the money and muscle to change the counting of the votes. They can also use their money and muscle to decrease their competition. Ma'am, they might use the muscle to attack some competitor so that he or she.
If you say money and muscle, it is understood. You don't need to explain that.
Ma'am,
बहुत अच्छा, very nice. अब आगे बढ़ो.
ma'am, the common mass.
एक मिनट. Have you completed the paragraph?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you completed the paragraph?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Some people say that this pressure to win electoral fights does not allow sensible long-term policies to be formulated. Some good people who may wish to serve the country do not enter this arena. They do not like this idea of being dragged into unhealthy competition. Ma'am, we can see that in our among the common mass, people say that this pressure, this need to win the the elections, this need to gain the most number of seats, it cannot form long term sensible policies, and it is often more than often true, ma'am, because if sometime, ma'am, if the electoral candidate is just trying to win the elections to win the competition, but not but he or she does not want to change the country, then, ma'am, they will form policies which will benefit them, which will benefit their competition, but it won't form policies which will be beneficial in the long run.
Okay.
Ma'am, and also some good people, ma'am, and also the people who are not, ma'am, who are really honest, and they follow the rules. They do not wish to serve the country. They do not want to enter the arena of politics, because, ma'am,
They want to serve they wish to serve the nation. But they do
yes,
not enter because of these kind of
yes, ma'am,
things.
because ma'am, this kind of misgivings.
थैंक यू, ब्रिलियंट, बहुत अच्छा. अब हरीश, तुम्हारा नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ.
Yes, ma'am.
Our constitution makers say people really want.
Our constitution makers,
हाँ.
our constitution makers were aware of these problems. Now, this paragraph is trying to address that question that the previous paragraph raised. Yet, they opted for free competition in elections as the way to select our future leaders. Now, when our constitution makers, when they were making the constitution, they obviously would have thought of such a problem would arise in elections. So, but yet they opted for free electoral competition. They did so because this system works better in the long run. They did so because we do not live in an ideal world, and such a system of free competition works better in the long run. Let's see how. In an ideal world, all political leaders know what is good for the people and are motivated only by a desire to serve them. Now,
एक्सप्लेन नहीं करी, नॉट एक्सप्लेनिंग. शुरू से एक्सप्लेन करो, अब पढ़ते जाओ, एक्सप्लेन करते जाओ.
our constitution makers were aware of these problems, yet they opted for free competition in elections as the way to select our future leaders. Now, our constitution makers, they were aware of such problems that the previous paragraph raised of electoral competitions, its disadvantages, but yet they opted for free electoral competition and allowed for such competition to happen. Let's see why. They did so because this system works better in the long run. In an ideal world, all political leaders,
which system?
the electoral competition, the system of election.
बहुत अच्छा.
In an ideal world, all political leaders know what is good for the people and are motivated only by desire to serve them. Now, hypothetically, it is speaking that if we would have lived in an ideal world, then the candidates who would have been motivated only by the desire to serve people, and there would have been no dirty tricks in those electoral competitions. But that is not what happens in real life. But we do not live in such an ideal world. Dirty tricks and reality, this is the reality, that we do not live in an ideal world. So the political leaders all over the world, like all other professions, are motivated by desire to advance their political careers. They want to remain in power or get power and positions for themselves. Now, most of the times we see that, like all other professions, everyone wants to excel in their career. So like them also, the political leaders cannot be motivated only by the desire to serve the people. They are mostly motivated by the desire to advance in their career, to gain higher power and positions.
Good.
Now, they may wish to serve the people as well, but it is risky to depend entirely on their sense of duty. Now, it could be that some of them are good, pure, and they could be only motivated by the desire to serve their people, but it is not what happens really. And it is risky to depend on such a belief of people. All people are not like this.
Why risky?
Besides,
Why risky?
because if we depend on someone's
Questions. Yes, Harish, continue, please.
it is risky because if we place our system on
Pranav, you should also ask questions. Pranav, Pranav, चला गया. Pranav, Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
you should also. You are not in the class.
Ma'am, I am in the class.
फिर काहे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था?
Ma'am, वो मैं चालू कर रहा हूँ mic.
You should also ask questions. Harish is brilliantly explaining. Yes, Harish, continue.
now it is risky because if we create such a system where where people are only where we assume that people are only motivated by the desire to serve people, it could be risky because obviously all people are not like that, and we do not live in an ideal world, and it could compromise the fairness of the election. Now, besides, even when they wish to serve the people, they may not know what is required to do so, or their ideas may not match what the people really want. Now, this could happen several times, that even if the person who is on the seat is good, but his thoughts and what ideas he wants to opt for could not match for what the people want. So it could create a misbalance of thoughts between the candidate and the people. So this paragraph basically, what the previous paragraph did, it raised the question of political competition and its demerits. And this paragraph, what it does, it explains the idea that why political competition is necessary for our reality, because we do not live in an ideal world.
Very good, very good. Next, Romisa. See, a person from your class can explain. Now Pranav explained brilliantly. Now Harish explained brilliantly. Now few children can do, but why can't do others? Others can also do. If you wish to, you can do anything. If you really want to do something, nobody can stop you, and you can success. Karthik, is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, अभी रोमिसा, it is your turn. इस how से लेके again तक.
How do we deal with this real life situation? In this paragraph, we are basically answering this question: how to deal with the situations that of political leaders.
What you are going to deal with this? What is this statement?
Ma'am, this is used for the understanding between the political leaders and the people of a country, citizens.
Why do you have to understand? Why do you have to understand the knowledge and the character of people? It is ये related है. प्रणव जहाँ से पढ़ा जाता है वहीं से related है. बोलो.
Ma'am, because everyone has their own ideas and knowledge. And their
नहीं
character.
आइडिया नहीं. यहाँ पे किसके साथ जुड़ा है? इलेक्टोरल कंपटीशन के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है. And the tactics that they play. आगे बढ़ो. Explain करो. One way is to try.
One way is to try and improve the knowledge and character of political leaders. A way
Because their character, the image of their character is now negative. Usually. So they have to improve. Chalo.
The other and more realistic way is to set up a system where political leaders are rewarded for serving the people and punished for not doing so. The realistic way to deal this problem uh, uh, we should set up a system where we will award the leaders for their uh, for serving people, and if they are not doing their responsibilities and duties well, then they should get punished.
Okay.
The simple answer is the people. It means that the people will decide whether the person will be in power or not if they are not doing their work properly. This is what electoral competition does. Regular electoral competition provides incentives to political parties and leaders. Now, what is the meaning of incentives?
मतलब आपको इंसेंटिव का हिंदी तो नहीं पता इंसेंटिव मतलब आप सामने
Ma'am, you are not audible to.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
I'm not audible.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Am I clear?
Ma'am, you are not
Ma'am, your voice
audible.
is not audible.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Reward.
No. Net जा रहा है, what can I do? नहीं आ रहा, बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा. I'm not audible.
Yes, ma'am, अब आ रही है.
मैम बीच में कट रही है लेकिन आ रही है.
Okay. What did you? I बताओ Rumi sir, what did you ask?
Incentives.
Incentive means आपको ऐसे ऐसे दिया जाए चीजें, आपको लालच दिया जाए या काम दिया जाए तो आप काम करने लगते हो. That is called incentive. जैसे आप बाजार जाना नहीं चाहते हो और आपको बेटा तेरे को एक टॉफी दूँ, तुम्हारे पसंदीदा चीज मम्मी को पता नहीं ये दूंगी, अच्छा दोगे आप पक्का, ये चले गए तुम मार्केट. That is incentive. That giving a toffee, that is incentive. It is negative example में जो negative है और इस तरह का चीज है जिसको देख के इंसेंटिव, सैलरी बढ़ गई किसी का,
Encouragement.
इंसेंटिव है.
मैम, encouragement भी कह सकते हो ना.
टू एनकरेज यू, तुम्हारा सैलरी बढ़ा दिया. हाँ, इंसेंटिव. हाँ.
This lines means that
Chalo.
the regular electoral competition, regular elections provide encouragement to political parties and leaders to contest in them. They know that if they raise issues. Ma'am, last
मिल गया.
7. They know that if they raise issues
know
that
that-
people want to be raised, their popularity and chances of victory will increase. Because political leaders know that if they raise the questions and the issues that people are facing, then there are maximum chances of them of winning the elections because they are doing as per the wish of the citizens and people. But if they fail to satisfy the voters with their work, they will not be able to win again. But if they are not, if the people are not happy with them and are not satisfied, their needs are not satisfied, and the issues are also not satisfied, then the voters will not give vote to them in the next elections or contest. If the political leaders will do good work, then they will get the votes. If they are not, then the people will not vote for them for the next time.
Good, very good. Nabia? Nabia?
Yes, ma'am.
Nabia,
Yes, ma'am.
you will explain next. Do this.
मैम लेफ्ट हो गई.
आएगी आएगी. बच्चे को दे देना जो मुख में नहीं खाती, मेरे को बुखार सा हो रहा था. सुबह उठ के बिना कुछ पैसा करके पानी डालना धोना काम कर रही. Nabia, why have you left the meeting?
मैम वो नहीं है.
संयुजा की वो तो
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
और पर ये सब ये संयुजा, would you like to do this? नाबिया तो चली गई. नेट का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है आज.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Do this.
कहाँ
अभी
से?
लिख बैठो. वो जो यही दे सच सो इफ ए पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से लेके 2 ही पैराग्राफ है.
So, if a political
टाइम हो गया
party,
तो थोड़ा सा इतना कर दो.
so if a political
Is
party is
motivated.
motivated only by desire to be in power, so in this so the first line is trying to say that if a political party, to make it do something good for the people, they need to be motivated. Otherwise, they will always think of their benefit, so they would rather harm the people. Even then, it
नहीं.
will be forced.
क्या बोल रहा है सही? ज्यादा कोई क्या बोल रहा है? Only by desire to be in power. इसको थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करो.
मैम मैं पूरा सेंटेंस रीड कर रही हूँ. सो इफ अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इज मोटिवेटेड ओनली बाय डिजायर टू बी इन पावर, इवन देन इट विल बी फोर्स्ड टू सर्व द पीपल. मतलब if a political party wants to be in power, then they will be motivated to serve for
And
the
if they
people.
wanted to be in power, they have to serve the people. अगर वो चाहते हैं कि पावर में भी बने रहें.
Ma'am,
ये
I have a
Yes.
doubt. Ma'am,
Yeah.
in the previous class, ma'am, meaning in 8th class, ma'am, we learned that if everything is left to the people, then ma'am, it can lead to chaos.
Yes,
Ma'am,
people. That's
Yes,
why
ma'am.
represent.
Ma'am, but if people want something, ma'am, but for the time being, ma'am, if the majority, ma'am, if they want something which according to our constitution is wrong, ma'am, but just to gain votes, if the political candidates or the politicians, they promise to fulfill their demands, then ma'am, isn't it just the opposite of what this paragraph is trying to tell us?
No. What you are saying, it's partially correct. You see, what they are saying, even the political party is motivated only by वो क्या motivation है कि हमको तो उधर हरीश जो पढ़ा रहा था, that Harish explained in that paragraph, it is said that these political candidates, they wanted promotion, they wanted higher authority.
No, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what simply because MP or MLA, they wanted to hold some most important portfolio or something like that. Even if they are driven by such motives that they will hold the power again and again, still they have to serve the people.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, but
People को serve करना.
yes, ma'am. But to serve the people, ma'am, isn't it, ma'am? Can't we say that the majority of the people ma'am, because ma'am, if 51%,
why majority? Majority is counted so far the election results are concerned. Majority people know. It is not a majority. जो वोट मिल गया उनको पावर होल्ड कर लिया. Majority the people want. We cannot say majority.
No, ma'am.
People means all the people. Yes.
Ma'am, if ma'am 50% or 50% people vote for one candidate, ma'am, then he will automatically win the election, ma'am, because he has won the.
Okay, Pranav, I'll give you one example. Just listen to me. ये तो मेजोरिटी वाला जो सिद्धांत है, I'll give you an example. All of you listen to me very carefully. There are 3 candidates A, B, and C. There are only 100 seats. Okay, and then A gets 30, B gets 30, and C gets how much? 60 and 40 votes. So who got the majority vote?
Ma'am,
C.
C.
C got the majority vote. C got the. It is according to calculation. But how many votes he did not get?
Ma'am, 60.
Then which one is majority? It is not like that. He did not get, but individual candidate, only C is the winner because he alone gets the 10 votes more than these other 2. But if you count them, 30 A and B, then he did not get. 60 people did not vote him.
Ma'am, then who will form the government? Ma'am, party A.
C will form the.
Yes.
C will form the government because C as an individual, as a candidate, he got the majority vote than B and A. But एक बात देखो, तुम बोलते if you think that he is a very popular person, no, because 60 people did not vote him.
Ma'am,
so majority you can also think like this.
Ma'am,
but this.
Ma'am, suppose if we can take these 3 parties, ma'am, out of 100 seats, ma'am, what if C gets 50, ma'am, C gets 50, A gets 30,
40.
and ma'am, A gets 30 and B gets 20. Then C will automatically form the government. Ma'am, and if C has to pass a bill, ma'am, then they will already have a 50.
C cannot pass the bill. You know, these are wild thinking, you see. उसमें bill pass करने की क्या है? Nobody, the government passes the bill. It introduces the bill. Ruling party. It is not the person that introduced the bill.
No, ma'am, I'm talking about party C only. Ma'am, I am talking about the party C only.
नहीं, party C नहीं, but he has to form the government. Then the government will not alone. I am talking about majority. You are talking about majority. Don't talk about like this. क्योंकि तुम यहाँ हम तो बिल की बात ही नहीं कर रहे. It has another procedure. In our course, it is not there. Otherwise, I would teach you how a bill becomes law. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sanjay, you continue.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so the party which desires to be in power will be forced to work for the people. Now, even
they have to work.
Yes, ma'am.
They have to work.
Yes, ma'am. So
if they do not work for the people, because in order to stay in the party or on the chair, they have to work. If you do not work, do not solve the problems. जो भी तुम चेयर में बैठना चाहते हो, how would you hold it? Continue to hold कैसे करोगे तुम? काम तो करना पड़ेगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
बिना काम किए तो कौन तुम्हारे हाँ आगे बढ़ो?
This is a bit like the way markets work. Even if a shopkeeper is interested only in his profit, he is forced to give a good service to the customers until and unless the shopkeeper gives.
This is a very nice example.
Until and unless the shopkeeper.
Customer को तो मैटर नहीं, consumer को satisfy नहीं कर रहा है. Very good. चलो. Continue.
If he does not, the customer will go to some other shop. So the customer, until and unless the customer gets a good service from the shopkeeper, only then the customer will go to that shop. Otherwise he would be in that shop and he would give profit to the shopkeeper.
इसी को यहाँ रिफ्लेक्ट करो, इलेक्शन में रिफ्लेक्ट करो, the same statement that you were saying.
Ma'am, so in this way it gives a really good example, like if in the parties which work for the people, so the people will get attracted to that party and they will be.
Otherwise, they will cast they will give vote to other person candidate.
Yes, ma'am. So it will result in the loss of the party. So in the next.
बहुत अच्छा, ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्लियर होना बहुत जरूरी है. ये काम करोगे तो दूसरे को वोट देंगे.
Yes, ma'am. Political competition may cause divisions and some ugliness, but it finally helps to force political parties and leaders to serve for the people. This is the explanation of the example. Like the political parties, they will have to work for the people or the society. Otherwise, the society will vote some other political party, and it will result in the.
they will throw you out number कर देंगे. Very good, बहुत अच्छा. आगे से कल भी होगा एक्सप्लेनेशन. आप लोग सब कर सकते हो, आप लोग कर नहीं रहे थे. क्यों नहीं कर रहे थे वो मुझे नहीं मालूम. चलिए हमारा टाइम हो गया, 1:10 में खत्म होना है, टाइम हो गया. विल डू द शांति पाठ. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओके, you can go home. Say Saira madam.
Saira madam.
Thank you, ma'am.